Sir, as the Committee on Social Welfare, and we all know that we are now on the rainy season, are we ready sa ating pong ayuda at ito pong ating mga serbisyo, benepisyo sa inyo pong opisina, sa inyo pong komite, at in partnership po syempre sa social welfare ng city at DSWD?
Ang ating Office of the City Social Welfare ay handa palagi tuwing may ganitong sakuna at kalamidad. So itong nakaraang Typhoon Karina, immediately, and this is of course to give recognition to our Social Service Office, nakapagbigay kaagad sila ng mga food packs, medical kits, and other requirements for an evacuee to the victims of this typhoon. So na ako bilang chairman ng Committee on Social Services is continuously being updated of what they have done and what they are doing. And I'm very proud that to say that na-address naman lahat nila, all the evacuation centers, all the different barangays, those who were in need of food packs were immediately given. So yun lamang po ay on the part of the City of Baguio. Iba pa po yung binibigay ng ating regional office ng DSWD sa mga victims of this kind of calamity. So we are just fortunate in Baguio that it is not as severe as what happened in Metro Manila, dahil ang karamihan na na-damage lamang sa Baguio ay yung mga erosions from landslides and some minor problems. So we are fortunate that ganun lamang, unlike sa Metro Manila na talagang massive flooding, which some even describe as worse than Ondoy. So ganun, napakagrabe yung flooding na nangyari sa Manila. So anyway, dito sa siyudad ng Baguio, as of now, they were all addressed and continuing for those who are still in need. In fact, just a few minutes ago, maraming mga constituents who were here in the office who I recommended that they be given additional food packs kasi hindi sila naisama sa original listing sa barangay. So, humingi sila dahil ang sabi, victim din daw sila ng landslide, and so na-disrupt yung pamumuhay nila, pagtatrabaho nila, and so for those, especially those belonging to the poorest of the poor in our city, kailangan may address yan. So to me, let us just provide them all the necessary help and assistance habang kaya pa naman.
Opo. Unfortunately, marami po tayong narinig na ito pong mga ayuda ay nagagamit na po raw politically. Ano pong masasabi niyo dito?
Sa aming hanay sa Social Service Office, tuloy-tuloy lang naman ang pagbigay. Of course, personally, hindi naman tayo personally ang nagbibigay bilang counselor. Ang nagbibigay palagi ay ang Office of the Social Welfare. On the part of the SWD, sila personally ang nagbibigay kasi may pagkabawal naman or at least ayaw siguro ng isang politician na siya mismo ang nagbibigay ng gift, yung food pack items, gano'n. Ang role ng isang politician dito ay to coordinate, and that's what I am also doing. Coordination lamang, nandoon, if need be, siguro magbigay ng mga messages to uplift them in their times of need. But yung actual na pagbibigay, kagaya rin nung previous issue doon sa TUPAD or doon sa AKAP, or doon sa AIX, it is the job of the Social Service Department na magbigay personally. But the sponsor of that TUPAD, AIX, or AKAP, of course, pwede naman siyang nandun. Pero strictly ang DSWD or DOL for that matter, sila lang talagang nagbibigay personally. It's just sometimes ang nakikita kasi ang image is si politician nandoon. But in fairness to the politician, nandun din siya because siguro siya ang nag-sponsor ng event, so dapat lang nandun siya. Pero yung kung pera ng gobyerno, of course, ang nagbibigay, in my experience, ang nagbibigay talaga is yung DSWD.